Now let's see what are the different features that you get on Prezi presentation. So over here is our parent screen. Then we have topic 1. Then we have subtopic 1. And we can go back to parent from here. Now go back to parent from here. So it works as a layer. See over here in the left hand, on your left hand panel. If you want to add a topic, you can add a topic from here, or you can click on the small plus sign and choose to add different things. Like if you want to add subtopic, if you want to add subtopic to subtopic, you can do that also. Now over here you have three options. You have styles. See over here you can select the background, you can change the topic shape, you can change the colors, you can change the text option also. Then you have insert option. You can insert a text, you can insert images, GIFs, stickers, icons, animation, charts, audio, PDF. If you want arrow and lines, you have shapes. There are so many different things that you can insert over here. Then we have share option. You can either present this presentation directly in a live Google Meet, or you can copy a viewable link. Then you can collaborate it with me, or you can download it on a Prezi video. Okay, now let's see how to work about it. Let's insert some information. Now our topic is cyber safety. So over here on the parent, let's write cyber safety. That's great. Now let's go to topic number 1. Topic number 1 we have, suppose, personal information. You can also align this to the center however you want to do it. Okay, now over here you can write something about personal information, or if you don't want this text box, select the text box and you can delete it. So how to select the text box? You see when the four-sided arrow comes, you can click over here and click on the backspace key on your keyboard. It will get deleted. If you want it back, do Control Z and it will come back. So this is how you edit. Now if you want to add a picture, you can click on insert, you can click on image. In the right hand panel you will see there are free images. You can select any free image from here, or you can click on upload. Okay, so now if you want to upload your own images, then what you do is you can directly download images from Google. We all know how to download image from Google. You open www.google.com and then you search for your particular image, right click on it and click save image. That image saves on your device. Okay, then you can click from here, click on upload, and let's see if I have some images on my desktop or not. Okay, we have some activity and some activity images. Let's see. Okay, so I have one favorite day image. So let's click on this and click on open. So this will add the image over here. So yes, this is a personal information, right? So we can put it over here. You can put more pictures over here. If you now if I don't think I need this personal information, the subtopic, so I can directly delete this from here. See, just select it and click on the delete key on your keyboard. It will get deleted. You can add more image over here. I don't want this text box now over here. I can remove it. Okay, now come back to parent. Let's go to topic number 2. You can, so this is a way you can edit this presentation. You can also add one picture over here. Remove this text box. the subtopic. If you want to keep the subtopic, you can add more information over here. I don't want this, so I will add a picture, then come back. Now maybe topic number 3 I can select as identity theft. Okay, now suppose I insert some pictures about identity theft over here. Remove the subtopic if I don't want, and then come back to the parent. Now topic 4 I can put credits. I can insert the links that I have taken images from here over here. Okay, suppose this is my first link, then second, then third. Okay, so once you are done, you can also change the font from here. See, we have fonts. You can select any font of your choice. Yeah, there are so many different fonts you can select. You can increase the size from here. You can decrease the size from here. You can change the color of your text from here. You can change the highlight color from here. You can add bullets from here. If you don't want, you can remove the bullets from here. So there are so many different things that you can select from here. Okay, now go back. So this is how you create a presentation. Now if you